Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about adjectives, which is another part of speech. Adjectives describe or modify, that is, they limit or restrict the meaning of noun and pronouns. They may name qualities of all kinds: huge, red, angry, silly, yellow, fun, fast, unique, rare. And they can also describe the quantity of a nouns: many, few, million, and 11. And adjectives usually come right before a noun. For example, a red dress, 15 people. Some adjectives describe qualities that can exist in different amounts of degree, usually by adding er or est. The example of er, like the older girls, and the example of est, the longest day. We add est with longest day of the year. A very strong feeling, more expensive than that one. Now here are some examples of adjectives. They live in a beautiful house. House is a noun and beautiful come before noun. Zara is wearing a sleeveless shirt today. She wore a beautiful dress. She writes meaningless letter. This shop is much nicer. She wore a beautiful dress. Ben is an adorable baby. Farah's hair is gorgeous. This glass is breakable. I met a homeless person in Hanoi. In these examples, adjectives come before noun, like beautiful house, sleeveless shirt, and the quality of the glass. This glass is breakable, etc. Now here are some more examples of adjectives. Comparing adjectives. Example: this house is bigger than that one. This flower is more beautiful than that. He is more intelligent than this boy. This is the prettiest dress in the window. I lost my most comfortable shoes. Compound adjectives. Examples: this is a 4-foot table. This is an all too common error. He is a cold-blooded man. We saw a man eating shark. You have to be open-minded about things. These are compound adjectives. Example. Now let's have a look on adjectives phrase examples. The doctor is very late. My sister is fond of animals. I am happy to meet you. The kids are ready to go. Don't be afraid of the dark. I hope you will understand the topic of pronoun with these examples. If you like the video, share it with your friends. If you want more videos, subscribe to the channel.